it's MK, and I am super excited to share with you guys the mixed media kit, the brand new mixed media kit that is from the Crafty Maven Getaway. She has just opened up her shop, and she is now offering these cute, adorable little mixed media kits, and she's going to curate one every month. So it is awesome. I am super excited to share this with you guys, and then I want you guys to come back because I will be making projects with these as well. So I've got my name and all that information covered up using this scrap of paper. I'm going to go ahead and open up the box really quickly and then share with you guys what is inside, how it's packaged up, all that good stuff. I can't wait. It's so exciting. I love the box already. So I am just excited to see what all. Now I got a sneak peek, and then she posted it, of course, so everybody saw already, but it's different getting it right in your hot little hands, right? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so fun. Look, look, look. Okay. So the first thing right off the bat, I see this Dilutions giant stencil, you guys. It's huge. I was not expecting such a giant stencil. So I'm going to grab it out, and it's all of these raindrops. Oh my gosh, it is so awesome to see all these raindrops. How fun. Then I have this little card. It says thank you for your purchase. Has information to her website, which is the shop that this is available at. Also has her YouTube channel. I will have all of this posted down below as well. And then of course it's a little note to me. Okay? Okay. Yay. Aw. Hannah, this is so exciting. I'm so excited for you, Hannah. I really, really am. Okay, so in the mail, of course, it must have got hot because the little flowers were supposed to be on this little package right here, and they got cut off and fell off, which is totally understandable, but they are still in pristine, perfect condition. So I got all of these wonderful little flowers going on right here. How fun is that? I'm loving this twine, but I'm going to unwrap it really quickly. I got this adorable little, oh my goodness, he's so cute. Okay, ladybug, cute little ladybug. I have the April texture add-on. I'm going to open that up separately. Then I have some goodies in another bag. Oh, I love bags on top of bags. It is so fun. I got another little thank you card. Must have missed that one, or she had it already prepared and then had it opened. This is gorgeous. I do not have this color. It's eggplant for gloss spray media from Dina Wakley. I love my Dina Wakley sprays, so I'm super excited to play with this, and I love that color. Oh my gosh. Then I've got some fabric here. Looks like it's very mixed media-y. Oh, stars. This is fun. Look at that. Very, very fun, very tie-dye. Oh, how fun. I cannot wait to see what I do with this. I've got a couple of these distress crayons. One is in Abandoned Coral and the other one is Wilted Violet. So I've got a purple, and this is definitely a peach because Abandoned Coral is my favorite color when it comes to the distress oxides. Then I have some more fabric, lacy bits going on here. This is fun. A little chiffon in peach. Oh, how cool. How cool is that? Okay, then I've got a sequins mix going on here with the peach, the purples, the greens. Cute, adorable little clouds. Oh, I love the clouds. And then it says that it is April's Flying Dreams sequins mix. So that is super fun. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see. My brain is just going on and on and on. Oh, look at this. The Dina Wakley Media Acrylic Paint in Radical. Wow. Okay, I haven't played with her paint, so I don't know, but it's going to be fun. I'm not sure if it's, I don't know if it's liquidy or not. Okay, so there is that. This is cute. I don't know what these are. And they are not labeled, but they come in this like corally color and then the teal color. I don't know if they're paint or whatnot, but that's fun. I can't wait to play with those. these little guys, another packaging that came with these little flowers here. So I've got a yellow flower and a purple flower for me to do a very fun springy project. That is fun. Oh, they're so pretty. So, so pretty. Then I've got this washi tape. It's got this gingham with little hearts inside. It's by Echo Park, and it's our baby girl. And I don't know if you guys can see the little hearts inside the gingham. Yeah, oh, it's sideways. Sorry. There we go. How fun. I like how it's not pink, like whoop, in your face. Okay, then I got these paints. Again, I'm thinking that it was just too hot in my area, which is weird because we just had snow the other day. But I got this beautiful green, this purple, and this dark navy blue in watercolor paints. And then I have a super cool paint. Oh, I can't wait. So I have these little guys that hold half pans. And I could put whole pans too if I want them to go this way. So I'm going to go ahead and put my half pans, because they're the exact same size, and start filling up this awesome little tray that I have been holding on to forever. I also have some floss here. It's variegated green floss. That's super fun. Love the variegation. Then I've got this string. Hang on, the chiffon peeled off. There we go. And then I've got this purple cording and green cording. So it's just a double twist little cord going on. I wonder if I can sew with these as well. I'm not sure. I'm used to the floss, but that's new to me. I also have this Paige Evans embellishment set. A bunch of little flowers. Oh, there's all of them going on right there. How springy. That's super fun. Then I've got this paper here. What do they call this? Oh, I'm not sure. I don't remember what they call this, but this is going to be so fun. I know it has a name, but it's like very, very textured, almost like, oh, I know it has a name, you guys, but I cannot remember the name of it, but this is cool. I really like this. I love how it's just little bits and pieces of things. Then I have this piece. Looks like it's got a little bit of glitter on it. And it is some purple tissue paper. So, and this is, it's on the top of my head. It starts with a C. Oh, lots of little things in here, you guys. This is so cool. I've got some bling. Yep. Some self-adhesive little gems going on in pink and green and light pink or white. I can't tell. I've got some doilies in the same colors. This gorgeous butterfly. It's almost like mulberry paper, this butterfly is made out of. And then this beautiful purple doily. Then I have this piece of, also feels like rice paper almost, for purple. This is embossed. Oh, it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Wine frost. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. It's very pretty. And you guys probably see it as white, but it is a very pale purple. Then I've got this super cool piece of paper. Look at that green. That's like mulberry paper too, but almost more grassy. It looks like it's got a lot of texture, you guys. This is awesome. And then a purple envelope. So that'll be fun to play with. This is a vellum that has awesome gold designs on it. Hexagons too. So fun. Then this napkin right here. Wow. I've never seen a napkin like this before. Look at that. That is so, so pretty. Hang on. I'm going to just see if it's... Yes. Look at that. Wow. Okay. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Then I've got a book paper. Super fun. Another mulberry paper that has grass inside. I love mulberry paper. Then I have the tissue paper as well that she sent. So that is fun tissue paper that I can play with, and it matches beautifully. Then inside this little pouch are little pots of fun things. So I've got, it looks like, I don't know if this is embossing powder, but it's purple, or if it is just glitter. Not like chunky, almost looks like embossing powder. So we're gonna try embossing with this. And then this looks like a fun pot of texture paste. Let me open it and see real quick. Yes, it could be either paint or texture paste. I'm assuming because it's in the pot that it is texture paste. How fun. Super fun stuff. And then I have the April texture add-on that is, full of stringy things. Oh my gosh. Check this out. How fun is this? Wow. Okay, so I've got this really awesome band. Look at the colors. Aren't those fabulous? Oh, those colors are awesome. Okay, so I've got that. And then I have this piece here that has a little ruffle on it. How fun. Okay, I've got that. Then I have this, looks like a tie-dye. Purple string, purple ribbon. Sorry, it's not string, but a nice tie-dye purple ribbon. And then this gorgeous green. Look at that. That is so cool. Love it. Okay, now this is an add-on. It is not part of the mixed media kit, and I'm not sure if this is part of the mixed media kit either. You guys, it was in a separate thing, but it doesn't have the little name on it. Look at these pom-poms. Aren't those so cute? They're adorable. Oh my gosh, they are adorable. And then last but not least, this one's pom-pom too. This little black pom-pom. How adorable. Okay, so I am going to go and figure out a project to showcase some of these items. And I am definitely going to start my paint palette and add these as my first little paints going on. So that way I can build up. This is going to be fun to see all the different colors and fill this paint palette up and see what fun colors come out after several months of these kits. How fun. Okay, I will see you guys shortly with a project using all of this really awesome stuff. All right.